Hi friends, this is Mr. Chen and this is today's math lesson. So Friday was September 18th, Saturday was the 19th, Sunday was the 20th, which makes today the 21st. So we're going to put that in, September 21st. So yesterday was 20, today's 21. What number comes after 21? You're right, 22. Moving on to 10 frames, we're going to add a counter. And you'll notice that the whole thing is filled up. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show 10 fingers. Great job. You're right. Every time you see a 10 frame filled up, that means that's a quantity of 10. So let's write that down. Let's move on to tally marks. Now remember, tally marks are different because we're counting in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now let's add one more. Will be another group of 10. So hold up two hands and you'll notice that 5 and 5 make 10. Moving on to our 100 chart, we're moving our circle over to the right, and you'll notice that we've reached the end of our first row. So what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? You're right, we'll start on our next row, and as we go down and over to the right, our numbers are still going to get bigger. So today's number is 10. Now let's move on to the weather. It is still summer, technically, and the weather is cloudy. Going to our shape of the day, it is no longer a triangle, forgive me. It is now a square, and what are the properties of a square? It's 4 equal sides, that means the sides are all the same length, and 4 vertices. Moving on to our today's pattern, let's take a look. We have a square, square, hexagon, square, square, hexagon. What do you think the next shape will be? You're right, it is going to be a square. And this pattern is called an AAB pattern because the first thing repeats and then you have something different. Now let's move on to making 10. So now that today is the 10th day of school, we can make 10. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I ran out of purple ones. 10. Alright, again you'll notice our 10 frame is filled up, so that makes it 10. So let's write that down. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Alright, my friends, great job, and I will see you next time.